So yes, welcome once again to the US30 and NAS100 breakdowns for the third week of September. So let's begin. We'll start with daily candle in NAS100 before breaking down. We we must check the events that we have in this week. So here we are. Let me do a quick filter. So here we are. We have core retail sales. It is not the important news I'm looking for this week. The most important and the crucial news will be the FOMC foreign rate, and as it expected that the rate will be start cutting down by this week, and the FOMC statement regarding the economic projections and all. So these three news I will be keeping in mind for this week. After that, we don't have any but news. Market will react to these three news, and we can see some kind of um, movements during the events. So be ready with that. So keeping an eye with the events, let's break down the NAS100 and US30 for the coming week. So starting from day candle, you can see, as if you have watched my previous video, I took three trades for this week. One is number one trade is this one, which I missed. This could be a good, this happens to be a good trade, but I missed this trade because this happened in the Asian session. So I was not available at that time, so I could not take this trade on Monday. So the next trade which I took was this on Monday. That was short position. I sorted over here, but unfortunately my stop got hunt. After my stop hunts, we saw a price movement down where I could have secured 1:2.5. So this was a failure trade for me. The third trade which I was looking, that was buys over this area. But unfortunately I have not seen retest towards this level, so I could not take this trade. But one trade that was not planned I took this week was this trade. When I say that here we saw a broke up this structure, then due to the inducement we see a price movement, and there it was the CPI that day on Wednesday. So we after the market open, we saw a big downside rally. So I knew that it will be a short-term rally, so I waited a long time. Then I saw a pin bar over here in 15 minutes. I took this trade. I took this trade of this pin bar, and I secured 1:3. This is the only one trade that I took. that I took on Wednesday. This was a good trade and I make a few bucks in this trade. So for this week I am not looking for any kind of setup because I'm looking for the FOMC statement and the fund trades. So as you can see, we can see a price constellation has already taken place due to the news. So for this week I will be only looking for one trade, that is if I saw a retestment, a genuine retestment, and I saw some kind of morning star or some kind of candle over here or some kind of pin bar, then I will be taking a buy trade. My initial TP will be this area, but my TP1 will be this 1900-230 and TP2 will be this 1900-390, and the initial last TP will be 1900-500. This trade is a pending trade from the last week. I will be looking for this trade in this week. This is the only trade I'm looking for this week. If there is this level could not sustain in this week and we saw a broke up this level, then I'm looking for sales below this level, but after some 4-hour and hourly confirmation, then I will be taking a sell trade. Yes, these are the two trades I'm looking for this week. And there is one more potential, that if the funds trade are cut and we see a good economic projection by the Fed, we can see upside movement. So this could be another trade. These are the trade I'm looking for this week particularly. So we have done with the NAS100. So please note, these are the trades on my preference for this week. You can do your own analysis and you can align your system and age according to the market conditions. So let's go to US30. US30 has been crazy within this couple of weeks. We can say that sellers are also active, including the buyers are also active. So one of the trade which I discussed in the first week of September was I was not available for this trade. So this is the trade which I was looking, but I was not available for this trade. This trade was a good trade, but now in US30 I'm looking, as this area has broken down in 4-hour and in daily candle, I'm looking for some kind of retest, in lower time frame, that is 15 minutes or 30 minutes, which I can see that we saw a retest and buyers are pushing the price, but unfortunately there are sellers who are not allowing to break the higher highs in lower time frame. So we will be waiting for the market opening on the Monday. Usually I don't trade because there are lots of noise in the Monday's market, lots of stock funds until it is 9:50 or 10:30. I used to place the trade after 10:30 on Monday mornings because I get a view that wherever the market is going. So for this week I'm looking US30 to buy. I will be looking for a shorter target, that is this 41,600 level, this one, or probably will be not trading US30 for this week. I will be looking for the FOMC funds rate. If I see some kind of negative news or some kind of break of this level, so I will be sorting US30 and booking a target of up to here. So these are the two trades I'm looking for US30 in this week. So please manage your trade with proper risk management, because in these times when during these major events, when the forex rates and the FOMC projections are there are huge volumes in the market, and most of the stock funds are done in this week. So please be aware of it and use proper risk management, because risk management is the only key that will lead you to profitable trading. So please keep in mind, and if you have any kind of doubts regarding anything, so please do mention in the comments, and also please suggest me some kind of technical if you want to know about supply demand, because I have already uploaded my first video on technicals, that is the support and resistance. Please do visit that video and watch the video. You can get a brief idea what is about the support and resistance and how to trade the support and resistance. So if you want to make a video on supply and demand, please comment below, and please do share this video and also like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, because it motivates me to do more breakdown videos each week. So that's all. Thank you.